Here we go. There's, yeah.
I'm so scared. I'm not recording. Just send it to me.
Okay.
Guys, I'm scared.
Is it telling us things?
Please here at the Rainforest River Adventure.
Oh my god! What the heck? Guys, oh my god.
I'm happy.
This is sick.
It smells like Disneyland.
Oh my god. Okay, if a snake jumps out at me, it's game over. I'm swimming. Oh my god. This is a little bumpy. Yeah, snake. Who is texting me right now?
Oh, look, there's a bird on the,
Little cheetahs. Oh, they're spiders. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so cool.
we are not moving.
On your phone.
We're not moving.
Guys. Are we so? No. Oh, what the hell? Sorry. Oops.
When you get too comfortable with your family.
I'm sorry, this is the worst scene.
Huh?
Oh, look at the jaguar.
This is like a turnaround on the,
I'm nauseous. Jaguar. Thank you.
I wonder if that door opens.
God, I hope not. It did not.
I
Oh my god, look at that one's face! It's going like this! That's what it, look at it! It's really what it's doing! So cool. Oh my god.
I think I would like it if it just went one direction and not all the directions. Oh, wait, there's a guy.
Where? Oh my god, it's not even a real one.
Oh no, don't shoot the cheetah, sir.
Oh wait, it's recording.
Where's the elephant? Oh, look at the little monkey.
I got the monkey. I got the giant frog. I'd
Okay,
be so honest.
this is going to be the most wildest video I've ever taken.
I'd be so for real. I'm scared.
I don't think anything bad's going to happen. It's just flat like this the whole way.
I got the monkey up. Oh, look at up there.
Look, there's a
Look
monkey.
at it swinging. Nonchalant. Nonchalant. Oh, go take a bananas, Christy. They got bananas. Okay, get it, queen. Get it, queen. Oh, wait, he might take her head. Okay, queen. Bye.
Ah! Oh, that was terrifying.
Oh my god.
This is way cool.
Guys.
Like, this is like the rainforest on steroids. Oh.
If the rainforest was on steroids.
Like,
And other street drugs.
how come
Why
this
are
is
we
the
stuck?
only one of these?
Why are we stuck?
It's just slow.
That's stupid. Why does it print as a person?
I don't know. I would like to know who had to dust all this. Oh, is that an anaconda?
Yes.
Oh, that's terrifying.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god, 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 oh my god. That is exposed water.
What did you find?
Oh my god. Oh, there's a giant iguana.
Are we gonna get pooped on?
I hope not. What?
That'd be hilarious if they lifted their tail.
Look at the details.
The backside.
Go too close.
Oh.
The gorilla. Oh my god, there's a waterfall, Mom. Mom, it wiggled its tail. It is wiggling. Why is everything scary? What the heck?
What's wrong?
Why does everything scare me? He's gonna snap. He's gonna.
The front side of water.
I bet I can walk through this.
I got wet. Oh, he's pretty. He lost part of his trunk.
I don't think they're okay. He lost part of his tusk too. Chrissy, that's his clothes. You think they cut his tusk off? Oh, this guy doesn't have any either.
Aw, they've been fighting. Okay, I'm tired of going around in circles.
This is so baby.
Aw.
What's wrong with his eye?
You know, sometimes you gotta have a fly mask on.
Right. What is that? Look at the vulture, Christy. Christy, the vulture. Yeah, I'm scared.
Okay, I'm just gonna leave this right here so people can see how much we're circling.
I don't think that vulture's okay. It's only dying. Oh my god, no, please not me. Please no, please no, please no, please no, please no.
Oh, there's a tiger.
There's no. Oh, stay, Christy. Stay.
Look at the baby one. Christy.
Why is that happening? That one. Oh my god. Oh, look at that little one.
They're cute.
I
think that was it.
Oh my god. God, where are we going? Look at the.
I don't know, but here we go circling again. I'm gonna keep it on Christy so you can see how crazy it is in here.
Oh, I hate to break. Oh my god, is that a spider? That's a shape, Christy. Yes, worms. Oh my god, there's one behind me, there's one behind me, there's one behind me.
Oh, there is one behind you. They're cool.
Look at those guys. Oh my god, they're in the trees. They're in the trees. Oh my god, that's so cool. Oh my god, what is happening? Oh my god, it's on fire. Oh my god. What's the heck? Why is this in a restaurant?
This was, oh, look at the lady, our beetles.
I think spray. I sprayed the black one out. Is it over? Yes.
Yeah, it is over. That was pretty fun. I won't lie, I really enjoyed that. Look at all the money we're getting.
I'm wet now. I'm traumatized, actually. That was horrible.
Oh, that was
actually
fun.
quite fun.
That was really
Oh, wow,
fun.
we are really moving. We are really moving.
Woo!